Hello everybody, this is Gunther Pistol giving you guys a Minecraft Hunger Games. I'm playing with my friend King Kevin 1512. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Drop a like and see how many we can get. Any comments if you like, and subscribe. Thank you and goodbye. Bye. Welcome to an episode of me, Gunther Pistol, with my friend King Kevin. So, he's that derpy turtle over there, and we're playing Hunger Games. It just started, Kevin.
Alright, I got some good here actually. Alright.
We just started, let's talk about how we just started this now. We started, recording now.
Charlie, you see this person?
Where? God. I can't sprint for some reason.
The lag is real.
For real.
Come back here.
Oh, I'm getting hit. I'm gonna die. And one shot, I'm dead. One shot, I'm dead.
My friend.
Let's go, Kevin. I'll see you later.
That was my friend. Charlie, I'm gonna try to get you a weapon.
I got a weapon.
You did?
Yeah, it's just the lag is so real.
Oh, he's under me. He's under me. This is not good. This is not good. He's
Where are you guys?
Oh, this is not good, Charlie. Alright, I'm good. Ooh, get raped. Oh, my bad. PG, right? PG?
I'm coming, Kevin.
Are you really?
Yes, I'm right behind you. Got the for the win. The lag is reducing right now. Thank. Oh, I see if I can cut him off.
Yeah!
I'm trying to see if I can cut him off.
Come on, Charlie, come on. He's throwing fish.
Right.
I need that. Nah, it's too far down.
Oh, he went down. Yeah, what happened now?
I'm coming. Charlie, I'm gonna boost you.
Good. Oh, come on, the lag is so real. Yeah, just gotta hit. No. Damn it! I think I lost him. No, he's trying to get up. Where you at?
He went in the water. Alright, boost me again. Keep one more time.
I can't reach.
One more time, Charlie. One more time. Go, Charlie. This is a survivor. I gotta give it to him.
For real, props to that.
Oh, he's eating.
Oh, damn, I should eat though.
All I have is a gold apple. I can't really eat. I don't want to eat that much.
I got an apple. Where you guys went?
At the junkyard kind of thing.
Freak, I lost. Oh, I found you guys. I'm trying to come off. The cutoff though?
He's going up.
Oh, that.
He went up.
Yeah, I saw. Oh, the chip!
Holy crap, Charlie, please. Oh, he dropped the sword.
Oh, let go!
Charlie, give me some food quick. Thank God. I had to eat my golden apple for emergencies. Had 2 hearts.
Don't tell me you ate it.
I ate it, man. I had to.
Wow.
I had to.
GG. What's in here?
Ooh, you got arrows for me?
Yeah.
Alright, let me cop them real quick. Right.
You got any boots?
Nope, no boots. Okay, PG, Charlie. We have to keep it PG. Should we go down here? Nah, that's a far drop.
Well, Kevin, what do you want to talk about this? I don't know.
Let's talk about your Mexican ways.
I'm not Mexican. Damn it, yo. If anyone want to know what we are, we're Salvadorian. That's
Ooh, give
basically
me,
it. Oh, here. Here's a carrot. Here's some this.
Charlie!
Oh my god.
That
Scared the hell out of me, nigga. Take this. Take this.
Yeah, I have that for you.
Take this. Take that. Take this. This. And this.
Why'd you give me a bowl? You're giving me trash now. What the hell?
I know. GG.
Well, alright, whatever. Whatever you say, Joe.
Whatever I say, I didn't say it though. I'm going in here. Okay.
Why did you call your name Gunther Pistol? Maybe that's what. Why did you call yourself Gunther Pistol?
It's kind of part of Adventure Time.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm tight. Oh wow.
Gunther, that big one. I was gonna make a skin of myself, a Gunther skin, with that eye thing, but with a gun.
I don't really watch Adventure Time, so.
I was thinking of that, but I'm like, you know what? Nah, screw it.
Charlie, what is your strategy when you get into a fight? Like, what do you do?
I'm trying to reduce the lag at the same time.
Yeah, but there has to be some tricks you have to do, like some straight. Oh, I see a chest on top of that truck.
Try to stay to his blind side. That's it.
How do you know which one's his blind side? Charlie, maybe
Whatever
if you
you
jump and I
can't
boost
see.
you, we'll be good.
Huh?
If you jump and I boost you.
I'm going for it.
Ready? Go!
Wow, that was a fail. Oh my god, you took off hearts. You took out hearts.
Ah! I almost died. Oh no, I haven't. Wow, I have a better way. Wait, is it?
Nope.
Wow, we could just come here. Wait,
You lie? Nah, you can't go up.
Nope, we can't. Unless you punch me. Shit. Oh, my bad.
Oh, legit.
Oh, we got it. Ooh, just some food. Ooh, I got yourself some iron legs as well.
Beautiful. Any boots?
That's no boots, sadly. Some food. Some food loops. See you in D match. Okay.
We're gonna make it to the D.
Boost!
Well, I haven't been to the D for a while, Kevin.
Yeah, that's because we just suck. We just plain suck.
Yo, I found you some arrows.
Where? Who's this? Thanks for the donation.
Donation.
Boost! 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 Boost!
Also gotta say that we're playing on yo, quit that out now. I'm trying to parkour. We're playing on the server, the TV and Art server, Preston's. Check out the server. I'm gonna put in the link in the bottom. The link in the.
Do you even know how to put it in the link?
Well, we're gonna find out.
That's funny.
Just gonna put the IP address.
That's probably better.
That's it.
Let's go! I got an iron axe. I'm feeling pretty good about this. Feeling pretty good, Charlie.
I'll be feeling better. I'll be feeling better if we, I don't know, reduce the
Let me see
damn
if I
lag.
can snip you.
Oh my
Wait,
god!
what? Did you see somebody?
Storm. I'm lighting up a storm right now.
Should we split up?
I don't think so right now.
Alright, nah, yeah, let's just
It's D about to start. Like
you
legit.
be lagging up a storm and stuff, like, what the?
I'm not gonna live to D though.
We're going into D pretty deathmatch. I feel weird saying D.
There's a shorter way, so screw it.
Yeah, I want to go into D.
No.
Let me go into the D, Charlie. Let me go into the D.
Well, you about to see in 30 seconds.
So hard. Oh my
You better
god.
see it in 30 seconds.
Okay. Okay. Let's see. I only have 10 arrows though. I got some flint and steel tactics I can use though. Maybe some fishing rod as well. See you in the D.
I'm gonna jump off this.
Alright, I need to eat.
Who made
Alright,
that?
let's see. Oh, what the hell?
You lost!
What happened?
I jumped off a cliff before I made it to D.
You died?
And the momentum that when I went down went into when I went into a D. So I died.
You died? Oh, I'm tired. I see you. Ooh, can I get him? Ooh, he got the snips.
You got low hearts then. The guy just
Dude,
died.
I'm lagging up a storm.
Wow, this guy just died and he had like diamonds.
God, dude. I lost.
Damn.
I lost it. Damn.
Well, we're gonna do one more. Gonna do one more game. And hope you like the next game. Let's see if we can win. Here's the other part of the Hunger Games that we've been doing. Meet with me and King Kevin. King Kevin.
Woo!
No, that's a box though.
It's me.
There he is.
Me.
There's King Kevin over there.
Woo!
Right on my shoulder. Let's see if we can get on my shoulder.
Right,
Oh, he's on my shoulder.
Chest.
Can't whisper to my ear.
Charlie, I see a chest. I'm going for it.
Go for mid.
I don't
Oh,
trust
everybody just went for something.
I don't trust
I'm up.
mid. I got a weapon.
You went to mid? Oh, legit! No, wait. No.
What? Is this guy standing still? Oh yeah, he
I got
was.
some loot before I died. I was about to die, yo. Damn.
Taking the inside lane right here. Oh, come on. Just, oh my god. Charlie, are you still at mid?
No, I left. I did. Nah, man, I couldn't take that.
This dude is running for his life. Just let me
my
kill you. Just let me kill you, please. Thrasher. Is that his name? Ooh, yeah, he dropped on some cake. I needed that. Alright, describe where you are.
Near a forest. Oh, damn, look at this tree.
Near a
tree with a
forest?
whole lot of vines.
Oh, I remember this map now.
Hey, do for the vine.
No. The strays are real! Ooh, let's go. Ooh, yeah.
You killed him or you died?
I got him.
Alright, good. I don't want to go to D by myself.
The strays are real. Ooh, yeah, flint and steel.
Damn, yo, the stakes are real. Let's go. Come on.
Some armor.
Come on, some good stuff. Come on.
Do you have a weapon?
I got a bow.
That's not good enough. I have a wood axe for you.
I can only do far range shots.
Or do you even have arrows?
Yeah, I got some arrows.
Alright, let's go. We need to meet up. Charlie?
What?
We need to meet up. Actually, I'm pretty safe for now. But I'm worried about you, you know?
I'm not like near nobody right now, actually.
Doesn't matter. Anybody could come out of anywhere.
For real.
Ooh, bruh, I'm at like a big arc, however you want to say it, whatever. Arc, however it's pronounced.
Arch-trion.
There's like a little arch or arc, whatever, I don't know how to say it.
Yeah, what about it? You near one?
And there's like jets in it. So I'm over there
that.
somewhere. I'm close by, or I'm at it.
Oh, I can't climb. Okay, good. Oh wow, there's a chest in there. I'm sorry. Them snakes.
Okay, okay. Let's see.
Whoever owns this place got nice cars.
I see somebody.
Come on, open.
I don't think he sees me.
There
He's
you
gearing up! Oh!
He can't, don't die, don't
Oh!
die.
Ah!
Wow!
No! GG. I'll give him that one. Oh, damn.
How funny would it be? Nobody can hear you in this recording.
GG, Charlie. Charlie, I was right there by that arc.
Oh, this!
That was where I was.
This is a terminal, nigga. This is a terminal.
No, it's an arc.
It's the shape of an
Whatever,
arc.
I was right here anyways. Damn, dude.
Wow. How's your loots?
He killed me in the forest somewhere. I don't think you're gonna win.
The match, we're about to start death match.
Oh my god, we're gonna lose.
Screw it, man. It's always called. It's all about the tempt.
The what?
Tempting. Come on, nothing in there. Yeah, I'm gonna die. I got legit nothing. We caught one last time, but Fry didn't be retarded to do that.
Damn, these dudes have some good gear. Alright, it's only you three though.
Oh, damn. I gotta run.
Ooh, he's coming for you. He's coming for
I gotta
you.
run. I gotta 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 run. Nigga.
Ooh, somebody else is coming for him. Ooh, you're good, Charlie. You're good. Now, regen. Clean up, Charlie. Clean up, Charlie. Clean up.
Oh!
That's what's up, Charlie.
We out.
GG.
Thank you for all for watching. This thing we can hit any type of likes. Anybody would like to subscribe, I will be so appreciated. And let's see a round of applause for that's win. Comment about how we did. I think I won. I think that was a good win, but it was kind of cheap. So
No worries.
Exactly, no worries.
Doesn't matter.
Thank you for watching, and let's see if we can upload more. And I'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.